Welcome to the world of Super 10 undercard results from Dublin. Today, we are diving into the action-packed undercard of this exciting boxing event, where some of the sport's rising stars showcase their skills. So, let's get right into it and explore the key moments and insights from this thrilling card. First up, we have Callum Walsh taking on Tyler Denny in a middleweight showdown. Walsh started strong, connecting with a slick multi-punch combination that settled any pre-fight nerves. But Denny responded with a salvo of his own, forcing Walsh to cover up and lean forward. The referee ruled this incident as a knockdown, and Walsh eventually took a knee. The second round was a wild one, with Denny connecting with punches and Walsh appearing to touch down. But the referee allowed the action to continue, and Walsh unloaded a huge left hook, sending Denny down for a decisive knockdown. What makes this fight really interesting is the contrast in styles between Walsh and Denny. Walsh, with his sharp start and slick combinations, showcased his technical prowess. Denny, on the other hand, with his aggressive response and powerful punches, demonstrated his resilience and determination. This fight highlights the beauty of boxing's unpredictability, where a well-timed combination can turn the tide. Now, let's shift our focus to the light heavyweight matchup between Ireland's mighty Joe Ward and Artem Kasparian, the previously undefeated Russian-born Englishman. Ward, returning after a long layoff, had to dig deep to get the victory. The fight started at breakneck pace, with both men engaging in a toe-to-toe battle for the first 3 rounds. Kasparian's control of distance and timing gave him an early edge. What many people don't realize is the mental fortitude required to bounce back from a difficult start. Ward's ability to adapt and find his rhythm in the later rounds is a testament to his skill and determination. This fight raises a deeper question: how do fighters mentally prepare for a long layoff and still perform at their best? Next up, we have Sam Hickey, an undefeated middleweight, showcasing his power with a one-shot knockout of Brad X. Hickey's immediate reaction to the scary scenes that unfolded after his fight-finishing punch is a detail I find fascinating. He gestured to the crowd to calm their celebrations while medics attended to X, demonstrating his sportsmanship and respect for his opponent. In my opinion, this knockout victory highlights Hickey's class and maturity. It's not just about the power in his punches, but also about his ability to remain calm and composed in high-pressure situations. This raises a deeper question: how do fighters maintain their composure after a devastating knockout? Moving on. Pet 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 pet